Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to replace a lace closure on a sewing machine wig. So I've already sectioned off the hair and I'm going to use my seam ripper, which I have in my hand. A seam ripper is a tool that helps cut the thread off easier than a pair of scissors. So all I'm doing now is I'm taking that seam ripper and I'm cutting off the excess thread so that I can be able to remove the closure from the wig. When I tell you that this is my favorite tool, I mean that. Like, I have to keep at least 5 of these on hand. Look how easy it cuts the thread. Like, it makes my job so much easier. So I recommend that you keep these. If you can't find them, you can get them on Amazon. I will drop the link in the description for you all. But see, I took off the closure and I'm going to remove some of that excess thread. And I'm going to hand stitch the new closure in place. So now all I'm doing is I'm taking my push pins and I'm making sure that I secure my lace so that when I'm sewing, it stays in the position that I need it to stay in. But before we start sewing, let's get into this scalp, period. So I'm going to start on one side and then I'm going to work my way around. Now that I finished hand sewing the closure back onto the wig, I'm going to reinforce it with my sewing machine as such. Reinforcing it, just making sure that that closure is not going to go anywhere. So here's the finished product after I've reinforced it with the sewing machine. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to my channel.